2 days ago, on October 1st, I had a birthday party. And I got quite the stuff, including a lot of orchids, huge snake plant, a crap ton of cacti, and my Nepenthes Miranda opened up for me conveniently like the day after my birthday, so that's kind of a birthday gift. I did make a video about that. Check it out. It's really fun. And there's like music, so it's just that much better. And now I have to show all that to you. So yeah. Let's begin. This is the Nepenthes Miranda that opened up on my birthday. And I took it outside to film. But it looks great. It's a really nice striped peristome and everything. I am loving that plant right there. Then we have this pothos. And some pothos cuttings, which I'll make another separate video about. Banana. And then here's what's new. This thing, this massive snake plant, which I also believe is called mother-in-law's tongue. I don't know if that's why is there candy everywhere? I don't know if that's a completely separate plant or if that's pretty much the same thing. But, yeah, this is a huge snake plant. Look how tall it is. Like, look at that. That's extraordinary. And most of the leaves are clipped off. I don't know why. Maybe because it got too tall to exist. So, great. And it doesn't have much light because I hear that they're very light tolerant. They don't need much light. And it's a really hard. This is a really bad angle. There we go. That's a little bit better. Kind of see some of the patterns, but otherwise it's just this massive snake plant in the bedroom. It's right there. Pretty sure it's right there. It's huge. It's huge, and it also has really bad lighting. Next we have the tank, which I have filled with some other various things besides dragon fruit seedlings. It'd be this little cactus here. This little succulent that reminds me of coral. And then we have the big old cactus in the back, which is actually a lot bigger in real life, but it just looks small on camera. But it's actually pretty big. And then we have our amaryllis in the back. And it's starting to come back. And I feel really, really guilty and regretful that I did not make a video about the flowers, because that was probably one of the most beautiful flowers that I've ever had in my room before. So, yeah. And then we have this little snake plant here. And when you take this little snake plant and compare it to that big old snake plant, it makes the little snake plant in the tank look like a seedling. One more thing. Orchids. Look at these. Look at this. We have some white orchids here. Huge. Double stalked. That's beautiful. Some nice greenish orchids. Sparkly and waxy. A little bit tall. It's the tallest orchid that I have. And it's a lot greener than this one. And then we have this guy, who's pretty short, but instead, look at that. That is the most beautiful orchid that I've probably ever seen. Look at the striping, look at the coloration, and it's all about quality over quantity, because these flowers don't have much color or striping, but instead they have more stalks, which are taller, and they have a bunch of little flowers that are less colored. And this one has less flowers with shorter stalks, but it makes up for that by putting all of this quality into the leaves and flowers, which I see is amazing. And when you flip it over, there's more flowers, another flower bud, and they're all starting to get cramped up right there. But they're everywhere. I love all of them equally, though. And then we have my original orchid, Which compared to those, like if I take this and put it next to that, it's like you can't even see it. Because you see all these big old orchids. And then way down here is just this little dude. This little dude. But I still love all of them. I love orchids. They're so pretty. Yeah, that's all. Massive snake plant, huge holiday cactus, a super Miranda. We got a bunch of thorny little dudes and the coral succulent thingy, and then we got all the orchids. So that's fantastic. Leave a like and subscribe.